But you know, I wasn't happy because Mrana, the CEO for Free Zone, the video no go viral. I was asking myself, say, now that then this year, I said the people are attacking this woman, Dr. Mary Awusi, right? I was so worried. I'm saying, I don't like it when attack, on obia when you kakra obia, osaya obia. But man, I'm so okay. There's no cause for alarm, and there is no smoke without fire. But me nyam chala me go video hibi. Na me tie and sama okaye. Etie na me sa tie the so for penny on also Pentecost kan. You see, sometimes I sad. I very sad to say and yama be a bassa because on my you woman no I'm sure bedroom baby you will not get anyone to talk about things are echoes or Ghana. Enti yebeka nko focus abuache. But that is not how our forebearers, it wasn't their vision, and it wasn't how no more per se a planet or me. So sometimes when some of these things goes on, ayana ayara SOMPA. If people were doing analysis on the number of congregation, sorry, no, me that is not even an issue, because the moment you do say Pentecost have a number, the number of people move on, then you are doing politics out of it. Say any panic CNT. So can be na enya kure ni say you correct no, that shouldn't be the issue. Say bia the church members in Dawson. Church members in Dawson. And for that matter, you see a can of oneself. And you see a can of oneself. But that is not the case. But the case should be, say, we are analyzing the case constructively. And to me, semitie dia papa ne kanye. Ane nsema maame ne yabe na. To me, na nyansa biani. That is to me, because it's like if you're a general manager or you are head of department, the annual report, operational report, and all the reports that you need to give her. All my reports now, okay, and yema aba more obstacles are facing the more intended what you intend to do. It's not like this is the first time Papa no so can galamsey once. Papa have been talking about galamsey and maybe crow attack. I think people say it's about leadership. Say leaders in your migrant so so and names who are going on say na safo no baby no. It might not be new to you. It might not be new. Said you can say it's not the first time. Sata Magufa was not ina SM Pampa. Yes. Na I am Pampa Tinia so ba Bayano ice water. Am I? And I jitum some mobile bit mine ice water. Bit mine crystal clear water at your mind. Enti anokra de eye non starter say obi betwe adwen se ujitum se obeyesi amai. And that's what is how say yenko bu say Akufo-Addo. Are you okay? That kind of disrespect and the impudence, is uncalled for. Because Dr. Awusi, a learned person, and look at how beautiful and young she is. Sabi told be a one kasa yenim de wo trimu. One kasa obi anim so ye nyansani until you speak. Some of these people can be groomed to be vice and even president of this nation. But the moment amobekasa ni ehu de wo mutrim say a dear ne wo trim, it's not about book knowledge, a dear ne wo trim. And you are daring and giving him warning. Now Dr. Awusi da okra wo say no be there no ma o ma warning. Do you think some of us you allow the person to go and a man of his caliber? Ana dear man here me time cry me time ye chelpa na opa no. Me obi oba be pacho aka say Mosi man ka say yeah. The moment you use say Mosi ayan kwasi a chelpa. The moment obi be pa chow take it from you obeka chem say and so what say my say dia and me pa chow. If you say I've done this, then I'm sorry. The moment someone says that, it means that the person or your unrepentant soul or you'll be on your remorseful. I didn't know because of say ya shen so me. I know that man Julius Debra kusunu because of you and then Julius Debra and a general stage is using. You see, sometimes oyo ahodi bebra ye kunjaw tie kan so oyo ho bema bebra ye kunjaw. If you think you know it all and then you have the infantry to be one and say you are daring the person man, hey, now whether the hair can be shower you are not happy. I thought to be our more money here. Seriously, more money here because there are some people we from the eyes that we have, yet say nipa we grooming na obetima be yesi obetima na se bi mu bia ma no na nsehunu ne nsemfi ne be firi mu aba na am I disappointed, so disappointed. Sanya ba we nyina kembo and na wama ai Professor Mantemu nyina aba bote ba be kasa da ya papa no so kan na sa kra be sire the professor be kan na me sire. You cannot attack Obi like that. You can't approbate and reprobate at the same time. There are some crowd come out near me time say na Kufuado was no. Na Kufuado ye ni anke fro say bona mo me ni e man. Ye wu na be save ya. O si na de no ho no. What kind of disrespect man nya so for no kra. What the man Ghana for? What the emfa so for no tonchen. Disrespect to us as citizens. You're sorry how much the soon got to a basse, one rameton, one for mine. Is that how you pay us back? And I will not waste my time on it. Just that the mammy here somebody can say Julius Sako Pacho and people are making a lot of things out of it. Be say dang. Massa, Julius Debra, as a matured person, as someone who is a chief of staff. Or that staff, no. He did the right thing, and don't forget, say he's a member. He's a member of the Church of Pentecost. So to me, I don't see any big deal or qualms, and I disagree with some people. I respect them. Say they need to no, it doesn't make sense to me. If you're listening to my minute, they now say, or your communicator, you know, that the woman was not apologizing. You know very well, say na mamine, and yet chopa na no pa. Oh, now, judging where the air there were. You know that yet chopa na mamine epa. And it is worrying. But also, sign a word of caution among. Say, if you continue to disrespect people because they share their opinion, we cry just so in a public area, you are in a congregation and is giving report at a general conference or whatever that they went for, and all money report, and you have the guys in the infantry to speak trash. Also, you have my warning. I'm giving a warning. So next time, obe misbehave sa you hear from some of us. I'm giving you this question. Said the next time I'll be misbehave, you hear from us. What kind of nation do you guys want to build? Sad they are obi also nipa na ntimanye. Na nipa ntimi ya nka Ghana for se murame. What kind of disrespect, sir? You man de mama hamasa. Or because some of you have got an appointment, you think we are senior and saying now. And that man saying go choose to be a politician. Go bet me in your position now one time. Stay bet be the president. I'm telling you, boss, His Excellency John Dramani Mama. Even give him the maximum respect now. What there and now final to four. This should be your first and last. Over can't trust to anyone, any panel, any opinion. You hear from some of us. All right, so that was it. That was it with Awusi and so Sabi, the unrepentant apology or the buyer Julius Sakusun. Wait, you can't say, where you can't say Julius chapter 1 verse 9. Na Julius soon, yeah. I will be the birthday. Baby when you ipa o kokko na fufu todi. But Julius did his birthday akwakusi ya. Ayo, what the referee ya what? Now mama nko aya ade anopa me pese me ye ho adwuma pa. Hwe ekobase oh, people want to know Julius Apache. Me so mo fan to so mo chief of staff Chopper no occupy no mo fan to so Barbara, let them show that video. Now remember the current situation of our light. Let me tackle it. Me say any pa yano never pass my main yanu yan so ade be ye frasem. Either you be judged by your words. Ade bia wo de wa no be kan saade no en ye be you hwaten. Let's have the video. Me say monya ntentem ne time nim sa monya ntentem. So that of Julius Diano. Na ye movie on na menhwe the current situation of Dumso. You could for boss now, yes, on what investigation. I'm out for them.